Hey guys, Mia, and today I'm going to be doing some slime pet peeves. So yeah, let's get right on to the video. By the way, I'm going to be doing 10 pet peeves in this video. I forgot to tell that. Right, say that. So let's get to the first one. Number 1. Basically where people pick up the driest slime they have, and then they start doing ASMR with it. Okay. But this slime is not rock hard, it's just I'm doing it for the video. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Oh no.
The second slime pet peeve is when people show you the slime collection. But I'm only going to be showing one slime. And then they're like, look at this. I love it so much. My favorite slime. It's my favorite slime. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey guys, it's Owl in a Tree. And today I'm going to be showing you my, what's this called? I can't think of a name. Coconut slime. So yeah. Oh my god. That's mine. I like it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I love it, it's my favourite slime. Even though I like all slime, it's my favourite slime. Oh my god! It's not that stretchy, but it's nice. Look at it. Mine! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I like that slime! Number 3 is that basically when they're showing you the slime collection again, they show them all at once, and then you're like, what's that one, what's that one? Oh my gosh. Hey guys, it's Yellow Bouncy Ball. How I came up with this name is this is just a random yellow bouncy ball in the middle of my room. And today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. So here they are. I have a lot, including all of them. Okay, now let's get onto the video. I think one of them opened. Here, this one opened. I have this big pink slime. This is what I look like. This pink slime again. Here it is. And sorry if I'm holding it over the camera for too long. It's just, I want you to take a better look at it, and it's very watery. Look at all this water. Then I have this slime. I think this video is going to take forever because I'm showing you all my slimes. I have this slime.
I'm not playing real life, so I'm like, what?
This slime. I think I'm taking forever for this one. I have this one. I have this greenish, this green one. And I think I've showed you them all.
Yeah, I'm just looking at YouTube's.
Yeah.
Well,
So yeah.
after the build,
Number 4 was where people poke them too slow, they actually stick to where people poke a slime too slow that the slime sticks to them.
hey, cool.
Hey guys, it's Yellow Pillow, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime. Uh-oh. No, 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 no! Stick it. No, no!
Pictures.
It's so sticky.
Pictures.
Uh-oh.
What?
No. Ah! So
Um,
sticky. That slime pet peeve number 4 was like the worst one. You could literally see that. I was like scooping it with my finger. Oh, and mind my background. If you know how to read that, just read it. Yeah, on to the 5th pet peeve. Is when people poke it so fast that you can't even hear the poking noise. Hey guys, it's Elephant Poop 123, and today I'm going to be showing you my pink slime.
Why do you think that?
Can you see the glitter? Hurts my hands. Look at this.
Okay. What's going on?
A big fat belly flopper.
Oh, there you go.
I love this.
Stone bricks. Can I have a stone? Yeah, can I have a
I
stone?
love this slime.
The stone. The normal stone. That's the only stone. Oh, you haven't smelted it. You maybe to little tiny bit of my house, which I slept in just then.
Oh, I got all over my hands. Anyway, for the 6th slime pet peeve.
I really want Dylan to join. I don't like peanuts.
Oh, you know what he's like, just a winder.
I'm trying to record a video here. Okay, the 6th pet peeve. The 6th pet peeve is where people when people
I found the other jungle.
if you're one of those people who are on your electronics in the middle of the night looking for calming music or ASMR slime videos, and then you go onto a video, then you listen to it, then all of a sudden you hear this farting noise because of the slime. I find that very disturbing sometimes. Not like I've ever done it, but when I'm trying to listen to it throughout the day, that's all I can hear.
Even though I got
So,
some spare, like 7
yeah,
white wool.
6 pet peeves.
I don't want it. One brown and one white one. No. I see a name tag now. Okay. Okay. Do you see my name tag? Hello, Cody behind you. Cody. Cody. Cody, we're twins. I'm literally in your head. Give me. Oh. Yes. Thank you. Spice it by here. Ouch. Whee! Whee! Ouch. Whee! Whee! Ouch. Whee! Whee! Ouch. Oh, there it is.
The 7th slime pet peeve is where people make it so perfect, like they poke it really nice, and they play with it very nice, and you're like,
I did
oh.
steal it. I don't stop.
Ignore our brother, by the way.
We're not. Oh, now I've gone forward from the top. Worse press.
The 8th slime pet peeve is where people receive slime from the mail and they're so ungrateful. Hey guys, it's Hagen, and today I tried copying. No, I came up with the name Hagen because I watched this YouTuber called K-Hung, I think her name is, and I just got a name from there. I don't know what. And today I'm going to be doing my slime package. So the first thing I got in this bag is clear slime. I wanted it to be in a plastic bag, not this container that the lid isn't even shut properly on it.
At my very own house. I'm trying to destroy my house.
Hope the slime's good.
Is
that some dirt, I see?
And I told you, I'm going to break it in and...
It smells gross. I asked for scented. But no, I didn't. But I wanted it to be scented. That would be a surprise for me. Can you see all that dirt in there? You can't even see it all, but there's literally glitter in this. There's literally dirt spots. Oh my god, it's so cold. I don't like it when it's cold.
What does that mean?
I don't. Look at that dirt. I thought she made this. This feels like no one putty.
Once in my life, there's so many little.
It's not even that stretchy.
What does that mean?
And it's sticky.
Mostly collect the tablets on 72% and like the gauges.
I didn't want slime that was pokey. Look. Do you not hear anything? What's this? What's that? It's not even that clear. Look at that. Is that clear to you? Can you see it crystal clear? Look at the difference.
I can't jump up this thing. There we go.
It looks like snot. Red snot. Ew. And I said that now I think I'm actually holding it. And it's a little. I don't like this slime. I'm contacting her, and this just literally bounced off the container. And why are they two different colours? I don't get this. I'm contacting her right now. Hello. Yeah. I don't like my slime package. The 9th pet peeve is where they're really bubbly slime, but then when they try poking it, like ASMR, it's literally rock hard, but like the bubbles and ice, but then the actual slime isn't. Yeah.
He's spoiled. He can do whatever he wants. I can't even do one single thing I want to do. It's, you know.
Oh, great.
Yeah, that's all. I really want to take this pumpkin off. My inventory's full. And I'm wearing it right now. I can't even see that much. I can't even, oh my god. I looking for like a great spot. I don't have many blocks. I don't get it.
And the big 1-0 pet peeve is where they have really watery slime and like they poke in one spot and it like creates louder noises and I'm like, bro, you never added enough eye drops.
Yes. Not doing that yet. Ouch. I don't know where to build it. I don't want to build it right next to you. Oh, I found it. Found a good spot with a ladder. That's not actually. No. Yeah, I have to. Go to the leaves now. No, that's my llama. Occasion.
Okay guys, so I hope you like this
Yeah,
video and my
some-
and my hands are still
some-
covered in glitter because all these ones are glittery. Like there's some glitter in this one. There's
Yeah,
a little bit of
and
glitter
I
in
just
this one. You can't really
red
see it,
peas and
but
I got you one. But I can't
Maybe
figure out
just
right
do the
now. I
top.
said you to go and get it.
there is glitter in there because when I've been playing
And Cody.
with this slime and then this slime, the glitter's gone into here.
Cody.
And then there must be some glitter in this one
Can
too
you
because
can
all my
oh,
paints have glitter in
what's it
them.
called? Smell
So-
test.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I made it into some bricks.
Oh, there's not glitter in.
Was it mine?
You can, that's on the outside,
Mine,
guys.
though.
Don't get fooled by that.
I think it-
We can't really see them, but there is glitter in some of these. But I like this one. It's like my grape one.
Yeah, like you said, this
God.
thing for you.
Okay. Wow. The plastic thing came off. And guys, people say like
Yeah,
Play-Doh stuff is
I
like
need-
putty,
I need
but it's
chicken
not.
too.
Putty is like my clear one,
Cody,
like
this
the
is my
slime
world,
from
and that-
Green Alien, but I actually made this slime out of clear gloop. Clear gloop.
Yeah, this is my world, and you're not the boss of my world.
Okay, this is like one of my favorite slimes, even though it's
Oh,
it's grey,
I got
not
something
purple.
for you.
On camera it looks
Say
purple,
that
but
again.
it's actually grey. I just call it my grape slime because it's nice.
Okay.
This is feels a bit like putty as well, but
Okay,
obviously.
1, 2, 3, 4,
And I made this with a black marker.
Cobwebs. How do you make
No.
cobwebs?
The grey paint that I made for this one,
You know what? I don't want to build this house.
I actually made it with a black marker. Anyway, I hope you liked this video and bye! Oh yeah, and don't forget to comment below which slime pet peeve
I want to build.
do you like? Do you bond? No. Do you?
Oh my god, there's so many of those houses that I want to build right now. I know. Even the same with the other ones.
This is not gonna make sense, but do you? Wait, no. Which one you have? Like, which one you like? Which one you are? Like, which one you do? Like, say if you were the perfect ASMR one,
It's not
comment
all
below.
the
If you poke it so fast you can't hear the poking noise, just comment below.
For once, my inventory is
Fun
not
got out in the end.
full.
20 minutes, I've been recording this video! Okay, so